Alright, this is part 7, picking up right where we left off. Like, literally. I just paused to upload the video. It's not done yet. Let's see. What was I gonna do? Shop? Um, So that's gonna be a new state. Shop state. Extends state. So I need to implement all this stuff. This one. GSM, super GSM, and update, and render. Okay. So, shop state, it's gonna be, I'm gonna keep the shop really simple. I don't want any fancy graphics since, I don't know how much time I'm gonna spend on the shop. Hopefully not too much. Keep it simple as possible, graphics wise. Get my trusty pixel. I'm not gonna use any texture packers because, whatever. That's gonna take a while, I think. And then I'm gonna have to redo my content class or a res class. Let's see. So render. Actually, do I even need the pixel? G or I keep thinking back to graphics. SB dot. Where's the clear? I don't remember what the clear call was. This one. It's already cleared at black. So if I don't do anything here, actually. Okay, hold up. Player. I need to access the shop. How do I access the shop? Just press something. Okay, so I really need to think about the buttons now. How am I gonna do the actions? If I could have something like, let's see. So here's the thing, and I could have like, wow, okay. So here's the farm, and here's the player, right? And I could have something at the bottom here, like a UI bar or something. And I can have stuff like, I could have stuff like, I can have water. What are the actions? Water, till, okay. So action till, and then water. What the hell is this? Seed, I guess. I'll just make it like this or something. Let's see. Seed. Oh, I can't just put seed because I need the types of seed. Harvest. Harvest, what does harvest look like? I'll just make like a $sign for harvest. And the other one is seed. So seeds is gonna have to be its own thing here. Going all the way down is gonna be like the potato. And then whatever other plants I'm gonna do, corn. Oh man, that's a lot of graphics though. And all sorts of others. And then I'm gonna have one button that's gonna just go down, highlighting whichever action. So A is for action, S is to switch action. So if I'm over here, I press A, I'm gonna till, Then if I press S, maybe I'm just gonna do it like that. Or I could have one button for each, because if I do it like this, it's gonna slow down the game, I think, considerably. But then how do I pick which seed I'm currently on? What if I just keep all my action buttons, like A for till, S to water, D to harvest. And because if I keep it the way it is right now, the advantage is I don't have to change anything. But I still need to categorize the seeds. That I have to do. Or the crops. Because if I have like 5 potato seeds and then I buy 5 corn seeds, they're just gonna go towards the end, and you can't get the corn until you've put down all the potatoes. Nah. Let's keep this simple. Let's just one list, all the seeds down. Man. I'm gonna break my face over this. Uh-oh. I can continuously water. Uh-oh. That's not good. That is not good. Can I continuously till? Yes. Oh, man. I cannot do an action if I'm already doing an action. Where is it? Till. If can till. If action. If action equals null and can till. If action equals null and can water. Action equals null and can seed. Action equals null and can harvest. Alright. Okay, that's good. Let's see the water. Nice. I can't do anything. Okay. That's fine. I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is right now. And by that I mean A, S, D, F. These are the 4 core actions. I hope that most keyboards are similar to this, but probably not. I could make it universal by making these the numbers instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever the hell they are. 1, num 1, num 2, num 3, num 4. Player.unload, you just have to press not sure. Buy seeds, that's gonna be in the shop. Alright. So for now let's try let's go to the HUD. Alright, let's go here. Font.draw SB player.get. What do I have for the player bag right now? Unload. Where's unload? What does that do? Crop crops. Get crops. Num crops. Public void or int get num crops. return crops.size. Let's see. And with the HUD, get crops. It's gonna be 10 and 65. I'm probably I don't want to make all texts down there because that's gonna be ridiculous. I can't do anything. What the hell? Oh, they're numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have any seeds. Seed, and then harvest, and then I can unload at the truck. And I need a truck somewhere. I can't walk past the edges because I put the collision stuff there. Unload at the truck. Alright. So for now I'm gonna keep it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I don't need this bottom bar, or I'm gonna need this bottom bar just for all the info, the HUD down here, maybe. But now let's try to make a truck. Oh man, the truck is gonna be ridiculous. Let's see, new. The truck, let's see what the truck size is going to be approximately. Each one of these is the truck is going to be somewhere over here. 1, 2, 3. Why don't I just make it 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 by 3. So that's 96 by 64. Okay, and just put the truck right up in here. New transparent. Get rid of this one. Where is it? Show grid. Alright, let's try to draw a truck here real quick. Let's make it red. Red truck. Because, you know, that's the color all trucks are. Let's see. Something like this. And then like that. There you go. Look at this professional looking truck here. And then something like this. And then like that. Cool. And then here. Should I make these tiles? I'm probably gonna do that just so I don't have to worry about collision with the truck. Or yeah, but I do need collision with the truck though. This is the crappiest looking truck ever. Let's do something like that instead. Man, suck at graphics. What the? There you go. One here. Let's just fill this whole thing up so it doesn't look so bad. Kind of. It still looks pretty bad. But that's supposed to be the border. So let's get the actual color in here. So that fill up was actually not a good idea. Come on. There you go. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. Get rid of that one. There it is. There and there and something or other. Is there a line? Oh my god. That's close enough. No one's gonna think twice. Like, look at that truck. I don't know, window here or something. This is not gonna be professional looking. There you go. Awesome. Just put decals or whatever on it. Boom. And then I need wheels. Wheels for wheels. Is there even a circle thing? I have no idea. Oh man. Should have done this on paint. Something like that. And that looks like a circle. There you go. That looks fine. So let's try. This should have been actually just black. And gray for the inside. Ish. Grayish. There we go. And I'll just copy and paste this. Somewhere at the front. It's supposed to go like over here somewhere. So right here. Something. Alright. And now gotta get the front of the truck. Something like like that. Let's see here. Close enough. But then that means I need to minimize this thing down to this height. Take this down. Move layers selection, another object. Oh my god, it doesn't work. Just copy and paste it then. Down to that height. What the frick? God damn. Alright, whatever. So around here. Oh my god, I can't make straight lines. There you go. Looks like a truck. Oh my god. Yep. Perfect. That looks exactly like what trucks look like. Save this. Oh my god. Oh, darn. 34. What am I doing? Res. Alright. Let's do truck. Oh wait, I thought I was nah. Truck. Right? I think export. I'm still thinking about how I'm going to do this. Maybe I can... Oh, I have an idea. I have a great idea with the truck. Alright, so first off, let's put it in here. Upload that one. Truck.punch. Let's see. And then over here, entity, I'm going to make a new one, truck. Extends map object, even though it really doesn't need to be, but whatever. And private or public truck, and then override the methods, update and render. Oh, I don't need to. Update actually should be empty because I don't need it. Set animation. I need the images actually. Which is gonna be texture region. With new texture region 1. Reg 0 is equal to new texture region res.i.get texture truck. And I'm gonna put reg here and interval 0. What's going on here? Oh, tile map. Even though I don't really need it. Okay. So public void. Oh, render should be fine. Let's add the truck to the game. Private truck. Truck is new truck. Tile map. And truck.render should be over the player, I think. Yeah, truck.render SB. But here's my trick. Truck.setPosition 300 600 500. Where is that? Holy crap, where's that truck? Am I even rendering it? Let's put it at 100, 100. Oh, there it is. Okay. It looks like it's to scale though. So I'm gonna move this over to the right a lot. That's 100, so maybe 500. Alright. And 500, and then this one's like 300. Maybe make this 450. This is closer to the what? The 200. 170. Make you walk for it. Alright, so the trick that I'm going to do now is, actually I should have done this before trying to set the truck position, is res, go back to the map, project, replace, and open. Over here, I'm going to add, the truck is going to be 2 tiles. And I have to place the truck right in between here since the truck is 2x3. So this is going to give the effect of the player not being able to walk through the truck but still intersecting along its sides. So, dirty way to do it. Let's see. Where is it? Oh, I think I placed it directly. Nice. Nice. I think it works. Alright. But am I still intersecting with it, though? That's the thing. Truck. I need to make sure C width is equal to width and C height is equal to height. And then I can check. Once I unload, the unload button, okay, ASD, where's the 1, 2, 3, unload, maybe I'll just make that 5. This is just a test using numbers for the actions. Alright, if I inputted 5, if player.intersects truck, then unload. Let's see. System print line unload. But over here, trying to unload. Unload success. Alright, let's test this. So if I press 5 here, nope, fail. And if I go here, success because I'm intersecting. Nice. Alright, that's cool, that's cool. So that's pretty much gonna be that. I think that's gonna be it for this video. It's running a little long. Alright, thanks.